that starts, go ahead and close out that window, or it's going to start have a delay playing.
Okay.
She would start, and then in a minute she would hear herself talking.
Gotcha.
About 20 seconds before. I've done that a couple of times, and then just that window can't turn on.
You just have to mute it on the YouTube stream.
Okay. All right. So let me.
You know, you're live. So once you're live, so that's it.
Okay. Judge, the court reporter couldn't hear anything, so she is getting assistance real quick to make sure that she's working in there.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Judge Kennedy, can you hear me?
Yes.
All right, just 1 second. We're dealing with an issue with the court reporter. Just 1 moment. Judge Kennedy, can you say something for me?
Sure. This is Judge
Well,
Kennedy.
I can read lists, but I
Can
can't
hear me
hang on
now?
just 1 second. Still have
All right.
Ms. Kennedy, can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Can you hear me?
Speakers. Yes.
No,
Not the
I was trying-
microphone. Ms. Kennedy, I think we're good to go. Can you say something for me?
Yes, can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am, I can. I'm sorry for the delay. You're good to go. Yes, ma'am.
No problem. Thank you. That was moderate. It was a very, very mild case of technology problem. All right. This is cause number 16-00226, Daniel J. Stevenson versus Zabgo Enterprises and Rudolph Chestang. Would you all please put your appearances on the record?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning. Will Langley for the plaintiff, Daniel Stevenson.
Thank you.
Gary Kessler and Brian Romine from Kessler Collins for Zabco.
All right, thank you all. At our last hearing, the court granted the motion to retain that was filed by the plaintiffs and tentatively tried to set a trial date for June 20 to 24. Mr. Kessler let me know at that time that he believed he had a conflict with that date because of a pending arbitration. Is that right, Mr. Kessler?
Yes, Your Honor, but that's gotten worked out. We haven't reset the arbitration, but I have an agreement from the claimant's attorney in that case to reset it. So we're good for that date for us.
All right. Same with you, Mr. Langley?
Yes, Your Honor.
Well, that was so easy.
Yeah.
I asked for other dates and I was going to try to work it out, but it was going to be pushed back a long time. So anyway, I think that's all, gentlemen. Do you all have anything else you need to take up with the court this morning?
No, Judge. We agreed on a mediator. We have an agreed mediation date of November 23rd with Judge Kaplan. So that was the other thing that we had talked about, was getting this to mediation. So we've accomplished that as well. So I think we're in good shape.
Great. I'm just going to go ahead and issue the scheduling order for June 20 to 24, including your date of mediation deadline of November 23rd and your agreed mediator, Judge Kaplan.
Great. Thank you, Judge.
Okay. Tell me Judge Kaplan's first name, please.
Jeffrey, I guess. Jeffrey Kaplan.
Okay, I'll find if it could be that there were two, and then I would have to be asking you again. So,
Okay, yeah, he's at Jams in Dallas.
okay, great. All right. Anything else from you, Mr. Langley?
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
Mr. Romine?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Kessler?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, gentlemen, this was the least contentious hearing I've had in a long time. Thank you
Our
very
pleasure,
much for
Your
joining.
Good.
I look forward
Thank you.
to hearing from you all after your mediation, and I'll send out the scheduling order probably today.
That's great. Thank you.
All right, thanks, gentlemen. See you soon.
You bet.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.